Hi, I'm Sir Dash Masong. Welcome to my college entrance test review, Math Part 7. Let's start. Math 46, Factoring Quadratic. Which of the following is a factor of x squared plus 5x plus 6? A. X plus 1, B. X plus 2, C. X plus 4, or D. X plus 6? Again, which of the following is a factor of x squared plus 5x plus 6? A. X plus 1, B. X plus 2, C. X plus 4, or D. X plus 6? Pause this video and try to solve it on your own. Go! Alright, the correct answer is letter B, x plus 2. Okay, paano nga ba isolve to? There are many ways to solve it. Again, if you know the advanced method, ayun na po yung gawin nyo. I will show the step-by-step solution. Okay, first, of course, you have to factor nga itong x squared plus 5x plus 6. Yung tip dito, hanap ka ng two numbers na yung product ay 6 at yung sum ay 5. So dito, pwede mong i-list yun, or ito medyo madali lang naman. So yung numbers na 2 and 3, ang product niya is 6 at yung sum niya ay 5. So ayun na yun. Next, factored form would be x plus 2 and x plus 3. So from the choices, ang meron ay x plus 2. Kaya the answer is letter B. Then, you can check it. Pwede mo tignan x plus 2 times x plus 3. So x squared plus 3x plus 2x plus 6, or x squared plus 5x plus 6. So tama naman. Again, from the choices, ang meron lang ay x plus 2. Letter B. That's it. See you sa next session. God bless! Math 47, Geometry. Area of triangle. A triangle has a base of 12 centimeters and a height of 8 centimeters. What is its area? A. 24 squared centimeters. B. 48 squared centimeters. C. 72 squared centimeters. Or D. 96 squared centimeters. Again, a triangle has a base of 12 centimeters and a height of 8 centimeters. What is its area? A. 24 squared centimeters. B. 48 squared centimeters. C. 72 centimeters square. Or D. 96 centimeters squared. Pause this video and try to answer it on your own. Go! Alright, the correct answer is letter B, 48 squared centimeters. So, paano nga ba na-solve ito? I hope naalala nyo pa yung area ng triangle. Ang formula for an area of a triangle is simply 1/2 times the base times the height. So, dito naka-cm naman sila parehas. So, hindi ka na magko-convert. So, ipa-plug in na lang natin yung values. Substitute, that would be 1/2 times 12 times 8. 12 times 8 is 96. So, 1/2 times 96 is 48. Or simply, 1/2 ng 12 is 6. So, 6 times 8 is 48. So, letter B, 48 squared centimeters. Pwede mo rin i-check yun. Multiply mo lang. The answer is 48. That's it. See you sa next session. God bless! Math 48, Inverse Variation. If y varies inversely as x, and y equals 10 when x equals 4, what is y when x equals 8? A 2, B 4, C 5, or D 20? Again, if y varies inversely as x, and y is 10 when x is 4, what is y when x is 8? A 2, B 4, C 5, or D 20? Pause this video and try to solve it on your own. Go! Alright, the correct answer is letter C, 5. Paano nga ba nakuha ito? Baka nalito na yung iba o nalimutan na yung inverse variation. Itong statement na if y varies inversely as x, pwede mo siyang isulat as y equals k over x. O di kaya pag nire-write ko, that would be xy equals k. Again, there are many ways to solve it. Pwede mong isulat itong variation as y equals k over x, o di kaya that would be the same as xy equals k. Now, yung second statement or second phrase, sabi doon, y is 10 when x is 4. So, pwede natin gamitin yan to find the k. So, to find the k, that is x times y lang. So, that is 4 times 10, or that is 40. So, your k is 40. Okay, now, kunin na natin yung value ni y when x is 8. So, we can use the variation ulit, xy equals k. So, sabi natin, xy equals k nga, and y is missing when x is 8 and k is 40. So that would be 8y equals 40, or simply y equals 5. So pwede mong i-check yun. 8 times 5 is 40. So correct naman. The answer is letter C, 5. That's it. See you sa next session. God bless. Math 49. Solving quadratic equation. What are the roots of x squared minus 7x plus 10 equals 0? A, 2 and 5. B, negative 2 and negative 5. C, 2 and negative 5. Or D, negative 2 and 5. Again, what are the roots of x squared minus 7x plus 10 equals 0? A, 2 and 5. B, negative 2 and negative 5. C, 2 and negative 5. Or D, negative 2 and 5. Pause this video and try to solve it on your own. Go! Alright, the correct answer is letter A, 2 and 5. Paano nga ba nakuha ito? Again, there are many ways to solve it. Kung alam mo yung advanced method, ayun na lang yung gawin mo. So, papakita ko yung step-by-step solution. So, we have to factor out itong x squared minus 7x plus 10. Hanap tayo ng mga numbers. So, si product is 10, tapos yung sum naman ay negative 7. So, pwede mong ilista yung pair of numbers na nakita mo. Dito, napaka-clear. Medyo easy lang naman itong problem na to. So, ang numbers na yon ay negative 2 and negative 5. Kasi negative 2 times negative 5 ay 10. Then, pag in-add mo sila, negative 2 and negative 5 ay negative 7. So, perfectly, it fits yung equation natin. Ano? Now, we can now rewrite yung factored form niya. So, itong x squared minus 7x plus 10 is equal sa x minus 2 times x minus 5 using the numbers negative 2 and negative 5 nga. Next, we have to set each to 0. So, set x minus 2 equals 0 and x minus 5 equals 0. So, you will find out na yung roots ay 2 and 5. Okay, may nalilito dito kasi sa sign ha. So, you have to recheck it. So, pwede mong i-check. Tignan natin. Pwede mong i-plug in yung 2. So, 2 squared minus 7 times 2 plus 10. So, 4 minus 14 plus 10 is 0. So, correct. Yung 5 naman, 5 squared minus 7 times 5 plus 10. That's 25 minus 35 plus 10 is 0. So, correct din siya. So, the answer is letter A. That's it. See you sa next session. God bless. Math 50. Simple interest. Katrina invested 10,000 pesos at 6% simple interest per year. How much interest will she earn after 3 years? A, 1,200 pesos. B, 1,600 pesos. C, 1,800 pesos. Or D, 2,000 pesos. Again, Katrina invested 10,000 pesos at 6% simple interest per year. How much interest will she earn after 3 years? A, 1,200 pesos. B, 1,600 pesos. C, 1,800 pesos. Or D, 2,000 pesos. Pause this video and try to solve it. Go! Alright, the correct answer is letter C, 1,800 pesos. Okay, before natin isolve, shoutout muna kay Katrina. Congratulations for investing na tumutubo na yung pera niya no, per year. Okay, isolve na natin to. Baka nakalimutan na yung formula for the interest. So ito lang naman yung formula for simple interest. That is I equals P times R times T. Ano yung mga letters na yan? I yung interest, P yung principal amount, dito 10,000. R yung rate, ito ay 6%. Yung T yung time, 3 years. Ayan. So we can now plug in. That is I equals 10,000 pesos times yung 6% ay 0.06. Again, hindi yan 0.6 lang ha. That's 0.06. Minsan doon nagkakamali yung iba. 0.06 times 3. So that is 10,000 times 0.18 or 1,800. Ang galing. Congrats Katrina. Kumita ka na ng 1,800 for 3 years. So pwede mong i-check yan. So that would be 600 pesos per year times 3 years. So that is 1,800. That's it. See you sa next session. God bless. Hashtag, sana makatulong If you want a free digital copy of this reviewer, pinamimigay ko po ng libre. How? Just comment on this video, free reviewer, and I will send you the link. And for more reviewers, please feel free to visit and subscribe to my social media account, Sir Dash Academy. Available sa YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok. I suggest punta ka sa YouTube, hanapin mo sa playlist, kinumpile ko lahat ng reviewers done for the college entrance test. Pwede rin magamit yun sa quizzes, even sa specialization, ano. So, nandun lahat, hanapin mo lang. Also, gumawa ako ng reviewer per subject area. Nasa playlist yun. For example, you need further review sa math, sa physics, sa English, biology, chemistry, general science. Hanapin mo na yung subject area that you need further review pa. Sana makatulong. That's it. See you sa next session. God bless.